Welcome to the Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, April 13th, 2026. We'll be covering market movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly up. The S&P 500 closed at 6,885.91, elevated by 69.1 points, reflecting a strong positive trend. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 showed a 1.5% gain, closing at 2,670.14, adding upward volatility. In market breadth, advances were prominent across indexes. The Nasdaq led with 2,024 advances and 859 declines, while the Russell 2000 saw 1,362 advances, indicating a strong positive trend across the board. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq has advanced 12.26% for the week and recorded a nearly 7.4% monthly gain. Similarly, the Russell 2000 displayed significant upward momentum. In sectors, financial services and technology both rose by 1.7%. The financial services displayed upward volatility, and technology has been climbing for 9 straight days, demonstrating a strong positive trend. Shifting to underperformers, the utilities sector fell 1.1%, closing down for 2 consecutive days, despite an overall positive trend. The consumer defensive sector also dipped by 1%, breaking out downward after a flat stretch. Among global markets, Finland led the gains with a 2.8% increase, reaching its highest close ever. Taiwan showed upward momentum with 6 consecutive gains. In returns, the Finland ETF boasted a noteworthy 10.25% gain this month. The Taiwan ETF continued its positive trajectory, reflecting a robust 23.19% year-to-date return. In the tech sector, Apple closed down at 259.20, marking its 2nd consecutive day of decline. Alphabet advanced to 319.21, reflecting a strong positive trend. Amazon climbed to 239.89, maintaining its upward momentum for 6 days straight. Finally, Nvidia continued its very strong positive trend, closing at 189.31, marking 9 upward days in a row.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. In today's market, Bitcoin is seeing a spike, currently at 74,134.21, marking an increase of 3,378.86 or 4.7%. Ethereum also shows impressive gains, rising by 6.7% to 2,340.76. Meanwhile, BNB and Solana are experiencing strong negative trends despite being up intraday. Dogecoin remains flat after a slight 3% rise. Observing returns, Bitcoin gains a noteworthy week-to-date return of 4.78%, but trails year-to-date with a negative 15.27%. Ethereum follows suit, achieving a weekly leap of 6.8%, while still down over 21% this year. Despite similar intraday upticks, BNB and Solana sustain heavy year-to-date losses. Though just ahead intraday, Dogecoin remains in fluctuating negative territory.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing weakness against key world currencies today. Against the euro, the greenback is currently at 0.8501, down 0.0064 or 0.74%. A strong negative trend persists while recent volatility has led to a breakdown from previous consolidation. Similarly, the US dollar is lower against the British pound, now at 0.7402, down 0.0063 or 0.85%, with a similar strong downward trend and breakout from flat trading. The trajectory against the Japanese yen remains different, with a strong positive trend intact despite a dip to 159.3920, losing just 0.18%. Meanwhile, the US dollar slides against the Swiss franc to 0.7836, a drop of 0.0090 or 1.1%, amid mixed trends and notable volatility. Lastly, against the Australian dollar, it has declined to 1.4085, marking a substantial 1.1% drop, continuing its very strong downtrend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.